2, boom, 4, boom, 2. Hey everybody, this is Greg from Brooklyn Music Factory, and now we are going to put our knee tapping drum chart to use. We are going to demonstrate how to use our knee tapping abilities. And we're going to start by just going down the columns. So the first column that we see are a bunch of red X's, and it looks like each beat gets a red X. So that means we're going to tap our right hand on our right knee 4 times. So let's find a good pulse. Let's figure it out in our head nice and slow for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, not too bad. Let's go down the list there. We're going to look at those green dots, and they represent our left hand. So that was our hi-hat with our right hand, or maybe our cymbals. And our left hand is going to be our snare drum. So it looks like those green dots are happening on beats 2 and 4. You ready? So we're going to find that same tempo. We're not going to worry about our right hand. We're just doing our left hand. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's keep on going down the list. We're going to look at those blue dots. Those blue dots are our kick drum. We're going to use our right foot. So with our right foot, we're just going to tap the floor. We're not stomping. We're just lifting our toes up and going back down. We're using the heel of our foot to be that hinge, okay? So let's take a look. We're going to find our tempo, and we are tapping our right foot on beats 1 and 3. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, cool. So instead of us trying all 3 at once, let's try to do some different combinations here. So let's just do our hands first. Just our hands. So let's start with our right hand, our red X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we're going to try to do is put our left hands to tap on beat 2 and 4. Ready? So let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the way of breaking that down is this one's doing all of them, but then you're tapping 2 hands at the same time on beats 2 and 4, right? So it's 1, and then 2 hands, 3, 4, 1. All right, now let's try to do a different combination. What if we tried our left hand and our right foot? All right, so let's try to isolate what those two sound like. So remember, this one kind of alternates. So this one will go first, our right foot, and then our left hand. And then our right foot, and then our left hand. Ready? Let's just do our right foot, and then we'll add in the left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So these guys are working together. These guys are working together. Let's see if we can get these guys working together. This is going to be a tricky one. So remember, your toe is tapping on beats 1 and 3. And these guys, they're doing it the whole time. Ready? So I'm going to start with my right hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me give you a little pro tip here. When your hand goes up, have your foot come up too, like it's like a puppet, like a marionette. Boom. But remember, it's only going to be happening for beats 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Cool? Now, let's try to put it all together. So there's a million different ways of doing that, right? There was a lot of different variations that we tried, and everyone is different when it comes to putting them together and learning them. So I'm going to show you a few, but whatever works for you. Take it one step at a time. Try to plug in this and then plug in that and then take away this and take away that, because that's really going to help you. Like I said, everyone's different. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do the hands first, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go boom for where the kick drum is supposed to be. Okay, so I'm just going to use my mouth to represent what my foot's going to do. Ready? So first just the hands, then I'm going to go boom to represent that kick drum. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 2, boom, 4. Boom, 2, boom, 4, boom, 2, boom, 4, boom, 2, boom, 4, boom, 2, boom, 4, boom, 2, boom, 4. There you go, you did it. So again, just practice at home. If you need to rewind this video a million times to master what you're doing, that's great. Go for it. That's what this video is for. Good luck with that drum beat. Catch you next time.